Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher error code 162 with some quick and effective steps. This error usually happens due to network issues or blocked launcher access. First, restart your PC and router to refresh your connection. Next, run the Rockstar Games Launcher as administrator to avoid permission problems. After that, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. And if you're using a VPN, turn it off because it can block the launcher. Now, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall, or add the launcher to exclusions so it can connect properly. Also, clear the launcher cache by going to Documents, Rockstar Games, Launcher, and deleting the cache folder. Then, make sure your Windows is fully updated. Finally, reinstall the Rockstar Games Launcher if the issue still continues, and launch it again, and the error code 162 should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.